In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily import data into QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher on the latest features, this guide will walk you through every step of importing your journal entries effortlessly into the software. First things first, let's head over to QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon there. That's your settings. This is a crucial spot because it's where we'll start our journey into the import process. After clicking on the gear icon, you'll be met with a variety of options. Here you need to find and click on the Import Data option. This feature opens the doorway to bringing in all sorts of data into your QuickBooks account, making integration between your previous accounting software or spreadsheets a breeze. Next up, it's time to choose the type of record you wish to import. For this tutorial, we're focusing on journal entries, a common necessity for businesses to keep detailed financial records. Selecting this will allow you to streamline the entry process, especially if you handle loads of journal entries regularly. Now, click on the Import button. A very straightforward step, but vital, as it's the one that initiates the action of importing the selected record type. Carrying on, this will lead you to a new screen where it's time to browse and upload your CSV file. Click on Browse to locate the file on your computer and select it. If your data is stored neatly in this format, importing it into QuickBooks becomes much smoother. Once you've uploaded your CSV file, click Next. This will guide you to an equally critical task, mapping your column headings. In this stage, you'll review the column headers from your CSV file and match them with the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. This ensures that each piece of data lands exactly where it's supposed to go within the system. After you've carefully mapped your columns, click Next once again. You'll be taken to a final screen that allows you to review everything before proceeding. It's your opportunity today to double-check that all your data is set to import correctly without any hitches. When you're sure whether everything is in place, go ahead and click Import. This click does the magic, transferring all the entries from your CSV file straight into QuickBooks. If done correctly, you'll have a smooth, accurate import process that aligns seamlessly with your existing QuickBooks setup. And there you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to importing your journal entries into QuickBooks Online. By following these instructions, managing your financial data has never been easier or more efficient.